So we're sort of in the middle of the nesting season, so we might see something. Well, we should see something. There's a few old buildings. There was birds in them last time, there was loads of swallows. The jackdaws were using that big pit head thing. I've seen a few flying around when we got out the car.
You're a bit late for them now,
Aye, they'll have young. We'll be lucky if there's any of them got eggs. But I can hear birds, like, in the distance.
It's actually a bit late, we haven't got much light, so we'll probably come up again next week. Maybe
Aye, we'll do
so we'll have a good explore all the way doing the valley and that.
Because there's a lot more than just these. There's quite a few buildings, isn't there?
I haven't even got much time.
No.
It's dark and no one at home.
It'll take a good while just to explore these ones.
We'll probably again next week though.
Yeah, I'll put the camera back on when we get down there. There's a jackdaw just flew out of that big pit thing. A big mine shaft. Right, I'll put the camera back on because we're doing the hill. And there should be a hole in the fence somewhere. And there's a mine shaft there. I'm going to have a look in there because there was swallows in there last time. I can hear swallows. That's swallows above her. But just as we come down there, a jackdaw flew just in the bottom edge or somewhere, that bottom corner.
I think it's been fixed, the fence, I think.
Oh, I hope not.
Somewhere, wasn't it?
I was just on the front. There's a swallow now. Aye. Damn, they fixed the fence. Yeah, someone's tried to break it again, like. You need a cord jack to do that. Doesn't look like we're going in there today. I wanted to, you know. Because there was quite a few easy jackdaws at the bottom. Now we'll check this building out first, see if it's out in here. Before it gets too dark. There's a few swallows flying around, like, so we might hit lucky. There's barbed wire on that side, I'll walk around this way. I've actually seen the pied wagtails in the end building last time we were here. Yeah, I just got to watch where I'm standing when I walk in here for nails. Oh, I can hear. Is that jackdaws? Are they in this part or the next part? I think they're in that corner up there. Oh, they're in that top corner. Got big young. I'm just looking under these beams to see if I can see any swallows. Not on this end. Going to the next one. Danger. They're in that top corner. Right. Been nesting in this chimney as well. See where our little sticks have come down. Just looking to see if there's any pied wagtails or anything. And these holes in the wall. I think that looks like a bit of a nest here. I can see feathers and all kinds there. I've got a little torch. There's definitely a nest in there. I just cannot see it properly. I think it's a big nest, like a jackdaw or something. I don't know what I'm looking at on the viewfinder. I don't even know if that's a dog egg. I'll turn the camera up, have a proper look. Put the camera on because we're getting to the entrance of this one. You know, I think we did find some swallows in here last time as well. I've got my little torch. Quite boggy. I can see a lot of bird shit on the ground over here. You know, like under the board, so it's a good sign that there could be a nest. You see all the bird crap there? I wonder if it's coming down from up above. Right, there's a proper ledge up there, just above where all the crop's coming down. Now, there's a look. Up there in that corner.
What?
There's a proper ledge up there in the corner. Yeah, I'm just looking, because that's big. Like, could even be a kestrel or something. Because they're empty, the white brook. Now, there's a door just around the back. I'll look in here first, see if there's any swallows. Because that looks like a bird of prey. I'm just hoping it's not a barn owl. I haven't heard one, like, so I haven't seen one either. Oh God, it's swampy. Aye, it's quite bad. This just seems too damp. All the swallows. Oh, I know. This is like too dark and damp in here. I definitely no in here. I've pressed record already. One minute, I zoomed it.
Just getting that read.
Just a viewfinder, if you can see. There was a lot of swallows in this building last time. It was just, and there is a lot of swallows flying around, and we haven't found any.
Really checking the island, probably head off.
Aye, we're running short of time.
One probably do hitting as well.
Oh no.
Mining village.
Aye, there'll be some canny old ghosts flying around in here. Aye, plenty of swallows flying around mine, as you can see in here, loads of them.
See, there's all these across here, but it's like I say, we haven't got time because it'll be getting dark.
Aye, and
If
it's...
we come up another day, we wouldn't have a wooden alley, do you?
Mm-hmm. The swallows are getting a bit more active doing this end line. I can hear them on the they're just up there on the fence, and they're doing on this fence as well. They're definitely flying all over here. Oyster catcher doing that.
I got something that will come up on a nice day bit early on and have a look here.
Aye. I could hear it, but I can't see the thing. It looks bright as out on the camera, but it is getting a bit dull. Right, so I've got my little torch out. We'll have a look in here. This is where I seen all the swallows last time. Quite a few nests. You can smell it. Put my torch on. Right. I always have a little look before I walk in. Torch isn't very good quality. I'm looking for like fresh droppings and that. And one there, that's been pulled out or something. And there's the one on the other side. Oh, there's a good one there. There's two here. Aye. Someone's piled these up, so I don't know if someone's been checking them.
You what?
There's some bricks piled up here. There's a good nest there, this top one. It looks fully lined. You know how they lined it when all the fellas in it. The top one looks like a good substantial nest. I'll turn the camera. There's a note in the first one. I can't see it, that one. Come on, I don't know what the top of it, but I'll have a quick little scope. No, it looks like it's on building. So I'll look to see if there's any more. There's one in the corner there. Two. Looks knackered them too, like. Not on that one. And they're old. Quite old. All the swallows are here, but I think we're a bit early because the swallows have just come up to these ports in these last week or so. Oh, there's the upstairs there now, man. No, I forgot about that. I'll have a walk around, I think there's a door there. They're like leaving the car right up there.
We'll head back before it's late, we'll check that bridge.
I will check that high. It's only about a half an hour away from here. We'll stick that in the video because it is a padlock tilt. Right. Be careful as I walk into here. I know the floor's solid, but it stinks. Lots of bird droppings on them beams. Just wondering. See the sheep coming here regular. Thought it might even be a pigeon or something, you know, just. What was the note? isn't it?
No, not a lot like, is it?
Quiet. Terrible. Hey, to see them. Right, we're just coming to this old building here, but there's quite a few jackdaws looking at them. There's one there, and there's one in the corner. There's another one across the other corner somewhere. I'm going to see if I can get this camera up above that one. We could hear the chicks screaming when we're here.
Yeah, but
It's going to be hard.
now if you've got out or not. Till you look like, but
I'll just do a full swoop of the thing.
tell you what, mind about this.
Because a pigeon actually flew out when we came in, but we didn't see where from. That's a big old nest there, like that one. Right, not old, but big. Look for the easy ones.
There's one away there.
Right.
In that corner.
All right, fine. I'm just looking at all this. Will I be able to get into there without touching any of all this crap? I didn't even want to cut myself or scratch myself on this. Right, so we've had a quick look. Not sure if I could see them, but I'll have a look on the computer.
We just walked down here and we were seeing the oyster catcher just as we come and do, didn't we?
So end of the island.
It's possible that it could be on these
Just
few
on that
rocks
ridge,
or
I think,
somewhere
in the
there.
island.
So
Because it's still sitting on the fence.
just across there. I can't really not even going to bother zooming in because it's too
No,
far and I'm holding
no.
it by hand, so I'll just be shaking a lot. So
Nah, I like when you're freehand,
But,
zoom in. It's terrible.
we'll just have a little bit
Whatever.
scout around here.
Right, we'll just the final find of the day here. Oyster catchers won 3 eggs.
We seen it from back there, didn't we?
It was kind of. It
We actually spotted it from up on the bankside through a pair of binoculars.
It was running away when we were walking down. It was like crossing from the island. And it's actually sitting on the 4th fence post line.
Still in it.
It's just sitting there watching one. Trying to come to fence posts. It's that one in the middle of the shot there.
Because we thought we weren't really going to have out today, we're just on the way back to the car, weren't we?
The final find, brilliant. It's better than coming and finding out. I mean, the oyster catchers is a good one. It took what a few years to find them, didn't it?
We've never found one this year, anyhow.
No.
So,
The main quarry what we're going to this year, it's been fenced off. Someone's took over the property and we can't get into it this year. But that's it. Brilliant find, that one.
We'll leave it there.
I will get away. We'll let it get back. Right, there we're gone. I was going to try and zoom in on that swallow there, but the minute we stopped, it flew away. We'll just like to know where they're nesting. I was going to have a look at that one where it was nesting last year. It flew, didn't it?
Where's that?
Just here. bird should be in there though.
I'm scared to stand here.
I'm being very careful. It didn't come out, so it's in here somewhere.
The nest, is it in the floor? Who are like?
Oh, you'll just see the nest. It'll just be like on the floor, you know, like a... It's in here somewhere, because it never went anywhere.
No, definitely not.
Yeah. I nearly shit myself.
You can. Definitely nest in there.
Oh, it's got eggs or something. Here it is.
Look.
Oh, it's got chicks.
Right, I'll be quiet to eating thing and I'll have one.
The little nether there was young. We're sitting in the car on the side of the road and we're just seeing it flying in. The little nether pipits with chicks. We're just sitting in the car and we're just seeing the thing flying in. And nice little well hidden nest. This is the area. Right, just up on the moor there, and another lapwing just jumped out, and it's got 4 eggs there. Get a good little close up of these. It's a nice little clutch there. Brilliant. It's just a lapwing, but it's always worth finding them. God, it's freezing. Icy winds. Oh. Well, we did come up here to go and check the gull ponds out and check a few nests and that, but it's like winter weather up here. It's not really worth walking across the... because it's up over the tops of the quarries. It's proper snowing on the tops of the hills. Early, like, was it like the 8th or something? 8th of May. It's supposed to be like proper spring to summer weather. Right, so we'll just have to give it a miss. But it's actually took her an hour drive to get here as well.
We had stopped at that little bridge to look at the white-tails.
Aye.
There hadn't he looked like, but
No.
and had a chat, and then we've got this weather.
Aye, it's quite bad. Right. This is the danger of on the moors when you're doing a little bit of bird nesting. All of a sudden, the fog just comes in. It was lovely and sunny when we got here. Look at I could see them quarry walls in there. It's not raining, it is just like the fog coming in. I was just about to go in there. I'm not seeing now if I walk in there, no. I could see right. I could see the village at the bottom before. Can't see it now. Trying to cover the mic from the wind. I'm going to see if this passes before I can in. It might just blow over because it's like all of a sudden the wind's picked up and the fog's come in. I'll see if it blows over. Keep it on for a few seconds, like put a minute, if you can. Like zoom back a bit and then zoom in a bit.
How will I stop it?
Press that button while you press it. Right, we're getting to that nest and it is a...
So can you see how many there's from there then?
One... I think there's at least 5, maybe 6. I think I can see another one.
It's definitely more hens.
They've got the red, got them red blotches on them.
More, hasn't it?
Yeah?
It's probably going to lay a few more.
They can do, aye.
They can lay like quite a few, can't they? Like a dozen of them.
I'll see if I can zoom in onto that because it's...
I can see them from here, even on the...
There is 6 there, isn't there?
It looks like it. It's probably got only a few more maybe.
Aye.
Oh well.
Oh, brilliant, that. Nice and easy. Right, I've just come down here to make another quick video. It's what looks like the the grey wagtails. I did check it about a week ago, it had nothing, but I've come back to it, just on a little bridge, little river, stream type thing, and it's got a couple of eggs in there. I'm just not sure if the camera can pick it up. Right, I'm not sure if I've gotten that, but I'll have a look back on it when I get back. But I think it's got a couple of eggs in there. Right, we've just come to a little bit of a different place here. We're going down to that bridge down the bottom there.
Yeah, now and again, look at it. For the cast.
Aye, because it's always here.
We never really find out what you're doing normally.
Nah, but on the way down the path, we hear a couple of linnets up in them trees and there's a pile of gorse. So I thought I'd have a walk in, have a look, and well, that camera ready. Because just in here, there is a linnet. It's got about 5 eggs there. And that's a good one.
It's been a while since we've found one of these, isn't it?
It has, been a few years. Aye. But that's like easily accessible and all, that's what. So I'm going to set this camera up in the distance and zoom in. See if we can film the bird come back. I'll get it up a height here. Up and down. And we're going to wait for half an hour. I'm still on the edge of the path here, and it is a little chip chop. I came in to see if I could scare these out. The sedge wobblers, but little chip chop. It's got a bunch of eggs in there. I did have a good look. It's got about 5 or 6 eggs in. I'll switch back to the GoPro just to get a good close up of these. Better quality picture.
There's one a bit further up and a couple in.
Yeah, right. Aye. Aye. Oh.
Right, it's definitely got what we came for now.
Oh, brilliant. Aye. This is brilliant. The best I've seen in a while.
Wait, I've never seen it like this.
Ah.
Yeah, but it was a few years ago and there was, I think there was maybe one.
No, the first year we came up, there was a few.
Was there?
Aye, but in the water, they weren't this easy.
Ah, you couldn't.
Aye, there was a couple on the bank side. We've seen a couple of eggs, but they weren't this good. Like, aye, it definitely wasn't this good.
Oh, go ahead.
Aye. There's another one. I think I can see one here. One eggs. Aye, there's one here. Oh.
The one there. Tell you what, there's a few, mate.
Aye. Remember the other week when we came up and we said there's about 100 birds? We've been right, like. A lot of nests. No, another one now.
Ah, that one.
Yeah. Best I've seen it for a long time up here. Had a few poor years.
And leave them there.
Aye, we'll let them get back. We've walked all the way around.
We've got no need to come back up here, you know.
Nah, just wanted to document them.
Because as soon as he's hatched, they'll be. Did they stay there?
They'll stay local.
But will they be in the nest for?
Nah.
Not
They might go back into the nest on the night time and that, but especially the ones in the water. Oh. Right, I'll turn the camera off. I just found an oyster catchers. It's on this shed roof in the middle of the quarry. It's got 3 eggs there. As I came in, the birds flew over there. I'm going to have a look over there as well. Right, I've got the handy cam on the tripod and I'll lift it up if I can stop getting nettled. I can get in quite close, yeah.
It's got to seem like, but I think it's definitely young there, you know.
I can see the white fluffy stuff there.
Because owls on the bottom, they just normally have a few leaves and
Aye.
stuff, didn't they? Just hard to make it the size of that, but I would definitely see it. Definitely see it. What's in there? What is it?
I will find out. But it looks like them. But that's a good one still. Oh, that's brilliant. Right, I'll turn this off. Well, we've come down to the wagtails. The grey wagtail, we're just having a look on the rest of the holes in case.
The second one we had to throw this one.
Because it's been a couple of weeks. There's quite a few of the old nests in here.
This one should have big chicks.
It should have. This is the one where the bird wouldn't come with it, isn't it?
Aye.
And there's nothing in that one. Standing back.
Aye.
And there she is.
Is that the bird sitting on it still?
It is.
Or them? I thought that would have had big.
It didn't come off last time either. It's a little bit of a pig, that one.
I wonder if it's just sitting on little chicks then.
Because we didn't even know what it had last time. I just didn't want to move last time, doesn't want to move this time. And we didn't like to disturb them properly, so we'll just leave it. Right. I hope. Right, so we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.